I'm Burk Metzger. I'm the president of Prosprint, and I'm here at Cultivate. So 2025 is a big year for us. We are actually moving our Cincinnati location to a brand new location with new manufacturing and new office buildings. That's going to be our leg on the U.S. side of things. And in Canada also, we have purchased our facility in Kingsville, and we're investing in a powder coating line there. So what that does for us, we can service you in Canada with Canadian production, and we can service you in the U.S. with U.S.-made components. We're a unique greenhouse company because I always say if it looks like a greenhouse, we make it. We produce everything from conservatories all the way to large-scale production greenhouses to the tune of 80 acres or 90 acres in one block. Our focus is to be a turnkey provider to you. We will engineer and design your internal solution as well as the climate system and the greenhouse around it, depending on your needs. If you'd like to share more information with you, please visit our website. This is crossbeyond.com.